Did you know that certain foods can significantly impact your health and performance? Stay tuned to discover the top 10 superfoods science says can elevate your well-being to new heights. Welcome to Optimal Odyssey Fusion. Today we're exploring superfoods, simple but exquisite, highly delicious, nutrient-packed foods that offer remarkable health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, enhance your mental clarity, or improve your overall health, these superfoods can help you achieve your goals. Maintaining a balanced diet can be a real challenge. Busy schedules, processed food options, and conflicting nutritional advice often make it challenging to eat healthily. Many people struggle with fatigue, poor digestion, and weak immune systems, all of which can be linked to inadequate nutrition. Superfoods provide a concentrated source of essential nutrients, making nourishing your body and overcoming these common health challenges easier. Let's take a closer look at each of these 10 superfoods and explore their unique properties and benefits. 1. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, blueberries help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, support brain health, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. When viewed closely, blueberries reveal a surprising secret. They're not blue, but a deep shade of purple. This rich color comes from anthocyanins, pigments with powerful antioxidant properties that can help combat cancer and viruses. But the benefits don't stop there. Blueberries are also a heart-healthy and delicious treat that can satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Kale. This leafy green powerhouse contains vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and minerals like calcium, potassium, and manganese. Kale supports bone health, aids digestion, and has properties like camphorol and quercetin. These have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. Kale is rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, as well as various flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Kale has the potential for weight management, being low in calories and high in fiber. Salmon contains essential nutrients such as protein, potassium, and selenium. It's also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids vital for a healthy diet. Omega-3s enhance mental and physical health. Research indicates they may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Pan-searing salmon is an excellent technique for locking in the juices, making each bite exceptionally moist and flaky. But that's just one option. Salmon's versatility is evident in various cooking methods, from grilling to baking. Quinoa. Quinoa is a superfood due to its remarkable nutritional content and versatility. It provides all 9 essential amino acids as a complete protein source, making it an excellent choice for those following plant-based diets. Additionally, it boasts a high fiber content, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. Rich in essential minerals and boasting anti-inflammatory properties, quinoa supports overall health and well-being. Quinoa's low glycemic index makes it a suitable option for managing blood sugar levels, and being naturally gluten-free, it is ideal for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. The antioxidants in quinoa, such as quercetin and camphorol, offer anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties, protecting the body from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, quinoa supports cardiovascular health with its fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Its versatility in cooking and sustainability as a crop that grows in poor soil conditions and harsh climates further cement quinoa's status as a superfood. Avocados are a superfood due to their impressive nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods. Additionally, avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins K, C, E, various B vitamins, and potassium, supporting immune function, skin health, and cellular repair. Their high fiber content aids digestion, promotes a healthy gut microbiome, and helps regulate blood sugar levels, contributing to a feeling of fullness that can assist with weight management. Avocados also boast significant antioxidant properties containing lutein and zeaxanthin, vital for eye health, and vitamin E, which protects cells from oxidative damage. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in avocados supports cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Despite being high in fat, avocados have a low carbohydrate content, making them an excellent choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Their versatility in culinary uses, from salads and smoothies to spreads and dips, further enhances their appeal as a superfood. Chia seeds are considered a superfood because of their dense nutrient content and wide range of health benefits. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids essential for heart and brain health. Additionally, chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, promoting digestive health and helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels. Their high protein content makes them valuable to plant-based diets, providing essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and overall bodily functions. These tiny seeds are also incredibly versatile, easily incorporated into various dishes like smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, baked goods, and even as an egg substitute. Their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency makes them a thickening agent for sauces and puddings. The combination of nutritional value, versatility, and potential health benefits, such as aiding weight loss and reducing the risk of heart disease, solidifies chia seeds as a true superfood worthy of inclusion in a healthy diet. Turmeric is considered a superfood primarily due to its active compound, curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its potential to combat various health issues, including heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even certain types of cancer. It's also believed to boost brain function, alleviate depression, and aid in pain management. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, which is linked to a wide range of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Additionally, its antioxidant properties protect the body from oxidative stress and free radical damage, supporting overall cellular health and longevity. Beyond its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, turmeric supports various aspects of health. It aids digestion by stimulating bile production, improves brain function by boosting brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF levels, and may help manage arthritis symptoms due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric's versatility in culinary applications, from curries to smoothies, makes it easy to incorporate into daily diets, enhancing its superfood status and providing a broad spectrum of health benefits. Spinach has earned its superfood status rightfully due to its impressive nutritional profile and wide-ranging health benefits. Spinach offers a significant dietary boost with minimal calories and is packed with essential vitamins like A, C, and K, and minerals like folate, iron, and calcium. Its abundance of antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin helps protect cells from damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Furthermore, spinach boasts anti-inflammatory properties thanks to compounds like camphorol and quercetin. It's also a good source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. The combination of nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber makes spinach a versatile and valuable addition to a healthy diet, offering numerous potential benefits for overall health and well-being. Dark chocolate earns its superfood reputation due to its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids. These compounds help protect the body from free radical damage, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. Studies suggest that dark chocolate may improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving blood flow, and reducing inflammation. Additionally, it contains essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and copper, which play vital roles in various bodily functions. The presence of mood-boosting compounds like theobromine and phenylethylamine can enhance feelings of well-being and pleasure. While dark chocolate does contain sugar and fat, choosing varieties with a high cocoa percentage, 70% or higher, can maximize its health benefits. However, moderation is key, as excessive consumption can negate its positive effects. Overall, dark chocolate, when enjoyed in moderation, can be a delicious and nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Greek yogurt's superfood status stems from its exceptional nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. It's a protein powerhouse, packing roughly double the protein of regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for muscle building, weight management, and satiety. It's also a rich source of calcium, essential for bone health and probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health and digestion and strengthen the immune system. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains essential vitamins and minerals like B12, riboflavin, and selenium. Studies suggest it may also help lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, and even promote mental well-being. While plain, unsweetened varieties offer the most nutritional benefits, Greek yogurt's versatility allows it to be incorporated into sweet and savory dishes, making it a delicious and nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Blueberries are the top superfood that can make the biggest difference in your health and performance. They have a high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting the body from chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve brain function, enhance memory, and potentially slow down age-related cognitive decline. Incorporating superfoods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to boost your health and enhance your performance. From the antioxidant-rich blueberries and heart-healthy salmon to the nutrient-dense kale and gut-friendly Greek yogurt, these superfoods offer unique benefits that can significantly improve your well-being. Including various nutrient-packed foods in your meals will provide your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote optimal physical and mental performance. Ready to supercharge your health? Add these superfoods to your shopping list and experiment with delicious and nutritious recipes. Whether you want to improve your energy levels, support your immune system, or enjoy a healthier lifestyle, these superfoods can help you achieve your goals. Remember, small changes in your diet can significantly improve your health. Share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Here's to your journey towards optimal health and enhanced performance.